Plugins supercharge your WordPress site with additional features, from SEO enhancements to form builders. To install a plugin, go to Plugins in your dashboard and click Add New. Search for the feature you need, like Elementor for page building, then install and activate it. Keep plugins updated to maintain security and performance. After activation, configure the plugin's settings to ensure it integrates smoothly with your theme and existing plugins. Take note that too many plugins can slow down your site, so choose carefully and deactivate or remove those you don't need. By staying strategic with plugin usage, you'll keep your WordPress site fast, secure, and capable of meeting your visitors' needs. Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.